Cammie was definitely the last person I ever expected to do this to herself.
I thought everything was fine. She wasn't unhappy. At least she didn't look like it.
She always smiled wherever she went and made everyone's day.
I thought these kind of things only really happened in movies. I guess I was wrong.
When these kinds of things happen, you really think back on the things that were said to someone, especially Cammie.
I always asked if she was okay, and she always said I'm fine.
This isn't some small thing anymore. This is real life. This is happening right before our eyes.
I miss her so much. I want her to come back. Before Cammie left, I just wish she would have said, help.